everybody, and welcome to my video. Recently I've been getting myself familiar with nature again, remembering what it feels like to step on rocks with bare feet. The solid earth beneath me sends vibrations down my spine. Connecting with nature is both healing and beautiful. It heals those aches in your heart, the overflow of thoughts in your head, and erases the worries of tomorrow. I used to think going in nature was childlike, but it is my soul's way of saying it needs more life. I'm here at Sedona. There's a lot of tourists around, but I don't really give a fuck. It's so pretty. There's a lot of tourists around. I don't think anyone can hear me, hopefully. But yeah, just gonna chill here for a little bit, journal, make some ideas, and yeah. Really peaceful, so I'm not going to talk loud, but I figured out a new way of journaling that I just started, and instead of saying like I want to do this or I really hope this happens, I'm saying like, instead of saying I want to get good at nails, I'd say I am getting really good at nails because I am, or I hope I can open up more. And then instead of saying that, you would say, I am opening up more. Yeah, really just changing the way I word things has shifted my perspective, and it's making me become more open and realizing things, and yeah, and I just feel really good. Recently, I've been doing some eternal work. I've been putting my energy to being honest and truthful with myself and doing what feels good to me, listening to my intuition and allowing myself to be me. Obviously, it is a work in progress and is slowly becoming a reoccurring feeling in my everyday life that I am being 100% myself. Something I do that makes me feel at home and true to myself and my body is putting on comfortable clothes that I love, not like, that I love. Surrounding myself with comforting objects like a blanket, stuffed animal, childhood objects, book, my dog, pillows, and putting my pen to paper, writing, drawing, whatever it may be. Those are the things that make me feel really close to myself. So yeah.